Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to solve exercise question from chapter 4 vector spaces and modules from book Topics in Algebra. Here is the question. If A and B are subspaces of vector space V, prove that quotient space A plus B modulo B is isomorphic to the quotient space A modulo A intersection B. We will start our proof. Here A and B are subspaces of vector space V. Then A plus B and A intersection B are also subspaces of vector space V. We have proved this result in our earlier videos. Now note that the elements of the quotient space A plus B modulo B are of the form A plus B plus B. Now as A is a vector from subspace A and B is a vector from subspace B, so this B will get absorbed in B, so this coset will be equal to just A plus B. Now define a map, say phi, from quotient space A plus B modulo B to the quotient space A modulo A intersection B, such that phi of A plus B, that is this coset under phi, will get mapped to this coset of quotient space A modulo A intersection B, which is A plus A intersection B. Now all we need to show that this map phi is an isomorphism. Since we have defined this map from our side, so we will need to show that this map phi is well defined. For this, let A1B1 plus B and A2B2 plus B are any two cosets in this quotient space such that these two cosets are equal. Now this can be written as A1 plus B and this coset can be written as A2 plus B. From here again, since the coset A1 plus B is equal to A2 plus B, so we have A1 minus A2 will be a vector in subspace B. Again, since both A1 and A2 are vectors in subspace A, so A1 minus A2 will be again a vector in subspace A. Now since this vector is a common vector in both the subspaces, we have A1 minus A2 will be a vector in subspace A intersection B. Now since A1 minus A2 is a vector in subspace A intersection B, we have these two cosets are same, that is A1 plus A intersection B is equal to A2 plus A intersection B. But A1 plus A intersection B is phi of A1 plus B and A2 plus A intersection B is phi of A2 plus B. So again this can be written as phi of A1 plus B1 plus B is equal to phi of A2 plus B2 plus B. Now we have, at the beginning, we have considered that these two cosets are same, means these two vectors in this quotient space are same. So for these two equal vectors, we get phi of A1 plus B1 plus B is equal to phi of A2 plus B2 plus B. That is, their images under phi are same, and this implies map phi is well defined. Now next thing is to show that this map phi is a homomorphism. So firstly we will recall definition of a homomorphism in vector spaces. If U and V are vector spaces over field F, then the mapping T from vector space U to vector space V is said to be a homomorphism if number 1, T of U1 plus U2 is equal to T of U1 plus T of U2, and number 2, T of alpha U1 is equal to alpha times T of U1 for all vectors U1 U2 in vector space U and for all scalars alpha in field F, or these two properties can be equivalently written as T of alpha U1 plus beta U2 is equal to alpha times T of U1 plus beta times T of U2. Now to prove phi is a homomorphism, consider two cosets A1 plus B1 plus B and A2 plus B2 plus B in this quotient space, and for any two scalars, say alpha beta in field F, we have phi of alpha times A1 plus B1 plus B plus beta times A2 plus B2 plus B is equal to phi of alpha times a1 plus b plus beta times a2 plus b. We have just written these cosets in this form. In the next step, this scalar multiplication can be written in this way. Now again, adding these two cosets, we get phi of alpha a1 plus beta a2 plus b. Now since phi of alpha a1 plus beta a2 plus b, this can be written as alpha times a1 plus beta times a2 plus a intersection b, because image of this coset under phi is this. Again, this can be written as alpha a1 plus a intersection b plus beta a2 plus a intersection b. This thing follows from addition of cosets. In the next step, this can be written as alpha times a1 plus a intersection b, and this can be written as beta times a2 plus a intersection b. Now a1 plus a intersection b is phi of a1 plus b1 plus b. Similarly, a2 plus a intersection b is phi of a2 plus b2 plus b. So this becomes alpha times phi of a1 plus b1 plus b plus beta times phi of a2 plus b2 plus b. So finally we get phi of alpha times a1 plus b1 plus b plus beta times a2 plus b2 plus b is equal to alpha times phi of a1 plus b1 plus b plus beta times phi of a2 plus b2 plus b. And this proves that phi is a homomorphism. Now further moving, next we will recall definition of a kernel of a homomorphism. So kernel of a homomorphism, say T from vector space U to vector space V, is defined as kernel T is set of all those vectors U in vector space U such that T of U is 0. Now in our proof, we want to show phi is a isomorphism. So to prove this, we will need the theorem which states that a homomorphism T from vector space U to vector space V is an isomorphism if and only if kernel of T is singleton 0. So here we will show that kernel of phi is singleton 0, that is 0 vector of the subspace or of the quotient space A plus B modulo B. And note that 0 vector of this quotient space is subspace B. So we have kernel phi is set of all cosets A plus B in the quotient space A plus B modulo B such that phi of A plus B is A intersection B, since A intersection B is the 0 vector of the quotient space A modulo A intersection B. Now again, this can be in the next step, this will remain as it is. Now phi of A plus B is A plus A intersection B, which is equal to A intersection B as it is. Again, this remain as it is. Now if A plus A intersection B is equal to A intersection B, we have A will be a vector in subspace A intersection B. Now we have kernel phi is set of all those cosets A plus B in the quotient space A plus B modulo B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Again we have, this can be written as kernel phi is set of all the cosets A plus B in quotient space A plus B modulo B such that A is a vector in subspace A and A is a vector in subspace B. Now this set is nothing but the subspace B. So we have kernel phi is a subspace B, which is the 0 vector of the quotient space A plus B modulo B. So we get our kernel phi is trivial, and thus phi is 1-1 map. And so by this theorem we have map phi from quotient space A plus B modulo B to the quotient space A modulo A intersection B is an isomorphism, and so the quotient space A plus B modulo B and A modulo A intersection B are isomorphic, and this proves our result.